In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Valorant here on a PC or laptop for free in 2026. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know what Valorant is, it's a free-to-play tactical shooter developed by Riot Games. It is by far one of the most popular PC games right now, and it has been for the last couple of years. To download it, what you're going to want to do first is open up any web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially just go up to the top and search for Valorant and hit enter. The very first option is going to be playvalorant.com. Go ahead and select that, and you're going to see a play for free option here. Select this, choose your platform that you're currently on. In this example, I'm on PC, so I'm going to choose that. And it's going to take you to a page that says download this game. Go ahead and select this, and it's going to download the Valorant installer. Go ahead and open this up, and it's going to immediately take you to a page that looks like this. Hit yes on the page that pops up, and then you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and hit install. This is going to download the Riot client, which will take you to a page that looks like this, where you'll be prompted to either sign into your account or create an account just like so. Go ahead and sign into your account. And after signing in, look on this left-hand sidebar till you see this Valorant logo. Select that, and then you're going to have the option to install it from here. Go ahead and install it. After it installs, it will not only download the app onto your desktop, as long as you created that desktop shortcut, or you'll be able to launch it directly through the Riot client. But it really is as simple as that. From here, you'll be able to open up the Riot client, select Valorant, hit play, and be good to go and start playing just like that. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.